Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to schedule internal transfer for sinking funds in Ally Bank. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to schedule internal transfers for sinking funds at Ally Bank, you can use the recurring transfer booster within your saving account or set up recurring bank transfers via the online banking website. Sinking funds are essentially what Ally calls bucket within your main saving account. So you need to log in into your account, navigate to the transfer section and select bank transfer. After this, you need to select the from account and the to account as well. You need to enter the amount you wish to transfer, set the frequency, and you can use this to distribute money as well. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.